Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to upscale video quality of any game with LSFG. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on this official guide by Steam. So first of all, you have to set your game to borderless full screen. If the option does not exist or work, then windowed. If it still doesn't work, then use exclusive full screen, and then just select the scaling mode to be auto and scaling type to off. This ensures you are playing at native and not upscaling, since the app also has upscaling functionality which you can use if you want. And then you have to follow the DXDI steps. Cap your in-game FPS to half your max refresh rate. So if your hertz isn't evenly dividable like 165, just round down x82, and then you just have to lock in your game frame rate to a value you can always hit. These capture methods require a stable lock frame rate to work, so interpolation has overheard, so make sure your cap accounts for the slight FPL loss you get by using lossless scaling. And then you have to select the capture mode as DXDI. This is the default, so it dynamically adjusts output frame rate to be double the internal. WGC does not dynamically adjust the output frame rate based on the in-game frame rate. As a result, it requires a locked stable FPS and can have worse frame pacing. However, it has less latency than the DXDI method and a 6-9% less overhead. GDI provides no benefits over WGC. It's just there in case your Windows version does not support any other method. And LFG tips are: all less can interfere with lossless scaling. Things under the rendering tab except the FPS in the program may cause issues. If you encounter any issues, disable them. Playing with controller offers a better experience than mouse, as latency penalties are much harder to perceive. Enhanced synced fast sync and adaptive sync does not work. Add lossless scaling to NVIDIA control panel, and then change Vulkan OpenGL present method to prefer layer on DXDI swap chain. And you can read everything else as well. That's not that important. So yeah guys, this is some additional information, just read it out. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.